Okay, so for anyone wondering how to change their oil, that bolt right there, I've already loosened it, but loosen that thing up. There's also the oil filter, which I'm not going to try and show on video. I don't have the tool for it, so I've got to try and yank it off by hand. But it is somewhere up there. Having a truck, it's not too hard to get underneath to change the oil, but with a car it can get a little bit tricky because, you know, they sit lower to the ground. So that's about it. And obviously you're gonna put oil in afterwards. It should go without saying.